Hello students, my name is Naveen Kumar Verma. We will study class 11th, Accountancy, chapter 12, Applications of Computers in Accounting. Firstly, we will study what are the learning objectives of this chapter. After studying this chapter, you will be able to first state the meaning, elements and capabilities of a computer system. Secondly, explain the need for computers in accounting. Then, describe the automation of accounting process. After that, explain design of accounting reports from the accounting data. List the various management information systems (MIS) reports and their uses. And last, explain the data interface between information systems. So let's start with the meaning of a computer system. A computer is an electronic device which is capable of performing a variety of operations as directed by a set of instructions. This set of instructions is called a computer program. We will discuss more about the computer program later in this lecture. Now first, we need to know what is the significance of computers in our lives. Whether you are a working professional, a businessman, a student, or even a retired person or a homemaker, usage of computers and technology becomes a basic necessity nowadays. Historically, computers have been used effectively in science and technology to solve complex computational and logical problems. They have also been used for carrying out economic planning and forecasting processes. Recently, modern-day computers have made their presence felt in business and industry. The most important impact of computers has been on the manner in which data is stored and processed within an organization. Because in today's world, data is the most important thing for any corporate across this planet. Although manual data processing for management information system (MIS) has been quite common in the past, modern MIS would be nearly impossible without the use of computer systems. So, at the end, if we say that without computer, we are not able to perform any business task these days. So, this is the significance of computer. Now, what are the elements of a computer system? A computer system is a combination of total 6 elements. First element is hardware. Hardware of computer consists of physical components such as keyboard, mouse, monitor, processor, etc. These are electronic and electromechanical components. In simple words, students, the hardware of a computer is the physical, tangible component that a computer system requires to function, which you can see. Now we will talk about the second element of computer system, which is software. Software that tells a computer what to do. Software comprises of the entire set of programs, procedures and routines associated with the operation of a computer system. A set of instructions that directs a computer hardware to perform a task is called a software. There is another term called firmware. Firmware is basically a term for a piece of software that is stored on a hardware device in order to make it run properly. Then, firmware is a kind of default installed software in the hardware devices to start the computer system efficiently. Okay, so there are majorly 6 types of softwares. First, operating system. An integrated set of specialized programs that are meant to manage the resources of a computer and also facilitate its operation is called operating system. It creates a necessary interface that is an interactive link between the user and the computer hardware. For example, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Ubuntu, etc. Second type of software is utility programs. These are a set of computer programs which are designed to perform certain supporting operations such as program to format a disk, duplicate a disk, physical recognize stored data in programs. Examples: antivirus softwares, backup softwares, disk tools. Third type of software is application software. These are user-oriented programs designed and developed to perform certain specified tasks such as payroll accounting, inventory accounting, etc. Example: word processor, accounting softwares, spreadsheets, presentation softwares are all examples of application softwares. Now, the fourth type of software, that is the language processors. These are the software which checks the language, syntax, and eventually translate or interpret the source program, that is a program written in a computer language, into machine language, that is the language which the computer understands. The example of this is a Fortran processor and a COBOL processor. Fifth type of softwares is system software. These are a set of programs which control such internal functions as reading data from input devices, transmitting processed data to output devices, and also checking the system to ensure that its components are functioning properly. Examples: BIOS drivers, motherboard drivers, display drivers, ROM drivers, printer drivers, etc. Connectivity software. These are a set of programs which create and control a connection between a computer and a server so that the computer is able to communicate and share the resources of server and other connected computers. Example: web browsers like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla, etc. Now, the third element of computer system, people. People interacting with the computers are also called live wire of the computer system. They constitute the most important part of the computer system. System analysts are the people who design data processing systems. Programmers are the people who write programs to implement the data processing system design. Operators are the people who participate in operating the computers. People who respond to the procedures instituted for executing the computer programs are also a part of liveware. Now, the fourth element of a computer system, procedures. Procedure means a series of operations in a certain order or manner to achieve desired result. There are three types of procedures which constitute applications of computers in accounting 477 part of computer system. Hardware oriented is the first type, software oriented is the second type, and internal procedure is the third type. Hardware oriented procedure provide details about components and their method of operation. The software oriented procedure provides a set of instructions required for using the software of computer system. Internal procedure is instituted to ensure smooth flow of data to computers by sequencing the operation of each subsystem of overall computer system. Students, now we will discuss about the fifth element of a computer system, which is data. Data are actually facts and may consist of numbers, text, etc. These are gathered and entered into a computer system. The computer system in turn stores, retrieves, classifies, organizes, and synthesizes the data to produce information according to a predetermined set of instructions. The data is thereof processed and organized to create information that is relevant and can be used for decision making. The last and sixth element of a computer system is connectivity. The manner in which a particular computer system is connected to others, say through telephone lines, microwave transmission, satellite link, etc. is the element of connectivity. So here we conclude our episode 1 of chapter 12. Now let's see what we have finished in this particular chapter and what are learnings. First, we have learned meaning of a computer system, the significance of a computer system, and the elements and capabilities of a computer system. See you in next episode. Thank you.